All right. We got technical analysis research, right? So technical analysis, unlike fundamental is we're looking at the numbers and stuff behind the company, the actual stuff that runs the company. Technical analysis, we'll be looking at charts, right? So as we can see, this chart has gone up over time, which means that over here would have been a good investment. This dip would have been a good investment. This dip would have been a good investment. This dip, this dip, this dip, and it continues to go up, right? Now, say for instance, if we invested here, we're like, bro, this stock is keep going up, and then it starts to come back down like this. You see this stock come down like this, a lot of people panic, right? So let's zoom in. Let's zoom in. A lot of people see this and they panic. This is what was like a 40% drop, 50%, a 50% drop, right? But looking at chart so long, I just see it now. A 50% drop, which is kind of what's going on right now. And the time of recording this, we're in April 18, 2025. The market has had a huge correction, bear market. We ain't gonna say bear market yet, but whatever you want to call it, the market ain't doing how it was doing these last 2 years, right? So everybody is panicking, right? Oh my God. And in this very moment. So back in October 1st, which was what, the dot-com bubble, right? So everybody's panicking, right? Didn't 9/11 happen? What did 9/11 was September 11, 2001, wasn't it? September 11, 2001. Yeah. So 9/11 happened like right in here too. Interesting. So we had a dot-com bubble and 9/11. I didn't even realize all that was in the same. But anyway, so yeah, the whole market's panic. We're down 50%, just straight panic, right? So you're like, oh my God, the stock market is a Ponzi scheme, is this and that. And then look, over time, what did it do? Slowly climb back up. Then it fell again. You're like, bro, it went right back to its all-time high and fell again. Now, our strategy, I would have told y'all I could take some profits once we get to the all-time highs, right? Get to the all-time highs, it drops again. This was what, 40%, 50% again? Cool. 50% again. Drop down here, even a little bit worse than last time. Then we run, and then we continue to run all the way to the sky for a long time. We get the pandemic right here. That pandemic probably lasted not the pandemic itself, but the drop lasted 4 or 5 days and then came back up. All right, cool. So you would have made some beautiful money right here, which is this fall was 34%, right? So 34%, you bought in right here, came up here, you got filthy rich. Bounce back again, and now we're doing it all over again. So if we seen every time we dip, do we get scared or do we buy? If we bought, we up. If we bought, we up, right? So this is just a little introduction. This is called Trading View. I'll just type it in for y'all so y'all see exactly what I'm talking about. You want to come in here and make your account right here because you will need to get well acquainted with that. All right. So that's the technical analysis research tool that you will need. Now let's get into the meat and potatoes of this course. You dig?